How to fix channels disappearing in Microsoft Teams. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application, and then from here, let's go to the Teams feature. So from here, I have the Teams tab right here, and then I can see my list of teams and then my list of channels. So for example, you may also have like a different look for your Teams tab, because there is right here in the settings, there is another view. So it's either you have the combined view where you have your chats and teams in one place, or you have the separate view where you have your own tab for your chats and own tab for your team. So it looks like this. So if I use combined, as you can see, the teams tab disappeared, but it is now inside of the chat tab right here. So you can see the chats, your favorites, and then you can see your teams right here below. And then you can use this view if you want, but personally I prefer the separate view right here where I have another tab for my teams. And then from here you should see your list of teams as well as their list of channels. So a reason why your channels are disappearing is that this is because maybe the administrator or the editor of your teams chose to hide that specific channel. So for example, I am like the owner of this how to videos channel, and then what I can do is that I can go to more team options, go to manage team. I will see all of my channels right here, and then I can decide if I want to hide channels that I don't really use anymore. So let's say I had this surprise channel and then the year end channel. So it will now be hidden right here in the teams. And then what you need to do is that you just need to contact your uh, channel owner or your team's owner to enable the previous channels that are now hidden. Like for example, I've hidden the year-end channel and then the surprise channel. So that's why they are not here anymore. So just click on show so that they will still appear in your teams. Another way to hide this is that you can go to shown for you. So this way you can still hide like channels that you don't really use, but it will not be affecting other people or other members of your channel. So you can use this one, hide. I've hidden the test. I'm sorry, the surprise channel and then the year-end channel, so it's not here anymore. And this is only for me. So this won't affect other people in the channel or other members in the channel. And then to bring it back, I can just go back to all and then show it again. And then that is it. So what you can also do to always have your channel is that you can also make a channel a favorite. So let's say this general channel, I can go ahead and click this one, the three dots, and then click show in and then click favorites. So from here, you will always have access to your channel in the favorites tab. So you don't need to go to the channel manually. You can just go right here to favorites. And then that is basically it. So that is what we can do to fix channels disappearing in Microsoft Teams. I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.